Hello everyone. So in today's class I am going to discuss about Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. So in this video I will going to discuss about whole thing means how to insert the slide, how to insert all the objects in slide, then transition, then animation, everything I am going to discuss in my full video. Okay. So for this you have to watch my full video and subscribe my channel for the latest update. Okay. So let's start. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a software, is an application which is used for present something. Okay. So it is used for some different types of purposes. Okay. You can use it in a office purposes, in a school purposes, in anything. Okay. So let's start. So see, first the tabs are present in Microsoft PowerPoint is File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Transition, Animation, Shapes. Okay. So in File tab, so all these are the options are available. New, first info, it is the information of the particular software. Then new is a option where you can create a new document. Okay. Next is open. In open, so here in open you can open the existing file, okay, which is already created. Okay. So rename, you can rename a file, you can save a copy, means whatever you have made you can save, then you can print the particular document, then you can share your document, then you can download it, and about means about the your applications. Okay. This is all about file tab. Next I am going to the home tab. So in home tab these are the options are available. See here the options are, see this is the font group where the capital letter A is, these are the font group where you can change the font style, font size, then particular design. Okay. So these are the alignment group. Okay. Then you can insert the new slide by clicking on new slide option. These are the copy, cut, paste. This is the main option in home tab. Then in insert tab you can insert the picture, shapes, smart art, text box, then particular videos, online videos, anything you can insert in a particular slide. Okay. So in draw option you can draw this type of, you can draw using this type of brushes. Okay. Then in design option you can insert the theme, or you can insert the design in a particular slide, anything you can insert, you can change the background, you can change anything. Okay. In a design option, then you can insert the transitions, then animations, then shapes. So I am going to the first one, home tab. Okay. So this is this white color box is actually a slide, all. So first this is my default slide. Okay. So here this is the first, this is the click to add title. Here we can add the title, and the lower portion is click to add the subtitle. So first one is I have to click something, I have to write something here. So for this I am writing. So see here I have written welcome to my first slide. Okay. Whenever you have written something, one box has appeared. Here you can change your particular design. Okay. So see here, so I want to do it in a bold letter. So for this you have to go to the bold option. Okay. So the lower portion also I want to change to my first slide. I also want to change this one. So again bold option. Next one I want to change the font color. Okay. So for this you have to go to the option font color, and the different types of font colors are there. So click on this one. So I am going to the option red one. Okay. I want to change the red color. So so in this way you can change your font color. Okay. Next you can change your font style, anything. Okay. So I am going to the, move to the next one. So how I can insert the new slide. So just click on this. Okay, so it will, after clicking on the new slide option, this is the new slide option. After clicking it, so different types of style will appear here. Okay, so which type of slide you want, this is your choice. You can enter any type of slides. Okay, so my choice is like this one, and then add slide. Okay, this is my new slide. So here you can insert any picture, any something, anything you can insert. Okay, so for this, first go to the insert option, and then you can insert some picture also here. So for this, first you have to click on picture, then insert picture from, three options are available here. Okay, so insert picture from this device, then stock images, or some from being pictures. Okay, so I am going to the this device option. Okay, so now one option is there, choose file. Okay, so I have to click on this. So after clicking this, it will appear like this. So I am going to the option here, say screenshot. Okay, so after this, different types of pictures are there. So I am going to the this one. Okay, and then click on insert. So see, like this it will insert it. So you can move this picture, or you can drag this picture. Okay, so I can drag this one to keep it very large. Okay, so it can appear like different ways. See, designer tab is also there. So here see what different types of options are available. So I am clicking on this one. So see, it will appear like this. If we click on this one, it will appear like this. So I am clicking on this one. Okay. Okay, so I am now inserting another slide for inserting other object. Okay, so for this, just click on this one, and then click on any one. I am clicking this one, then add slide. Okay, so this is my new slide. So next one, I want to insert, say, shapes. Okay, so for this, click on the shapes option, and then see different types of shapes options are there. Shapes, then lines, then rectangle, basic say shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, anything, then flow chart, anything. So I just want to insert, say for example, this one. Okay, so this way you can insert the shapes. Okay, so now I am to insert the smart art option. Okay, smart art options are used for entering different types of say bullet. Say for example, one sub options are there within an option. For this type of purposes, we can use the smart art. Okay, so for example, I am using this one, say this one. Okay, this option is for smart art. So for here you have to enter the text. So I am entering the text here. So first option is like this. For example, say physics. Okay, next one is say chemistry. Third one say maths. Okay, these are the options. When you write on this, it will create the name in the main box. Okay, so this is the smart art. So you can create any smart art. So when you write something, it will reflect on the slide only. Okay, so you can insert any type of smart art in this. So next one, I am going to the option. So for text box, so for this I want to insert new slide, and then say click on this one and then add. Okay, in this new slide I want to enter the design. Say for this, my design is like this. Okay, and here in this option, in this box, I want to insert a text box. Say this one, the text box option is available. So see here, one text box is appeared here. Okay, you can drag it, you can write anything within this. Okay, so for this, click on the text box and then write anything with this. So for example, I am writing one thing here. Say for example, I am writing text box. Okay, text box. So in this way, you can write anything within the text box. You can design by your own choice. Okay, so I'm just giving you the examples. Okay, next one, you can insert the, see here, footer. Header means footers and the slide number. Okay, so for this, click on footer. Okay, you want three options are there. What you want footer or slide number or don't show on title slide. Okay, so if I click on apply to all, it will go to all the options. Okay, but I want only this one. Okay, I want only slide number. Okay, and then the options are apply to all, means apply to all slide. Yes, apply to all. Okay, so next one, insert, and then first I have to click on new slide. Okay, I am taking any one from this, then add slide, or simply you can right click on this and you can add a new slide. Okay, so for this I have to click on any of the options. Say for example, I am clicking on this one, this type of slide. Okay, so now I am going to the this is my slide. I am going to the insert, then online videos. Okay, so for this, say here, after clicking on online videos, it will give one message here, enter the URL for the online videos. Okay, or use your use of online videos is subject to each provider's terms of use and conditions. So insert any online videos. So I am already click one thing here. So here this is my YouTube channel. So from this I can take any URL from this video. Say for example, I am taking short one small video here from here. Say for this one. So just go to the three dot option, then share option, then copy link. Okay, from here I can copy the online video here, and then see here, just paste the option here. Okay, so here I have inserted the link. See, so here I have inserted my YouTube link. Okay, so this way you can insert the online videos. So if you click on three dots here, so see here, three options will be appeared here. One is link, symbol, then add-on. Okay, you can click on the link option, you can click on the symbol option, and you can click on the add-on option. Okay, so next one, I am going to the creating one new slide. Okay, so here I am creating one new slide, and there I am going to the option design. Okay, in design you can insert different types of new slide design. Okay, so I am clicking on this one. So here different types of slide design is also appeared here. So I am giving to the theme here, say for example this one. Okay, so I have applied this one to all the slides. Okay, so here say different type of transition. After going to the option transition, so different types of transitions are available here. Okay, so I am going to say, see here, fade option, push option, wipe, then split, different types of options are available here. So I am going to this option. Okay, so this type of transition will appear here. Next one is, so here options are, again one more option is there, options. Okay, so here different types of other sub options are there: vertical out, horizontal in, horizontal out, vertical in. Which type of option you can use it? Okay, if you use a vertical out, it will give you the vertically your slide will be appeared. So I am giving the option horizontal in. Okay, next one is duration. So after how many time your slide will be appear. Okay, duration is here, so you can change the duration. So I am giving the 2 seconds. Okay, next one is animation option. So in animation option you can insert, you can give the different types of animation options. Okay, so here see, I am clicking on appear. Okay, after click on appear, see here options are available. So I am going to the option effect options. Okay, so see here after clicking on animation, different types of options are available here: entrance, then emphasis, then exit. Okay, so lots of other options are also available, say appear, then blend, then check, then anything. So I am giving the options. Yes, this one, first one, say again, say if no, I am going to the option first one. Okay, next one is emphasis, effects, so fill color, then speed, anything. So I'm going this one. Okay, so effect option property, so how much it will affect, so 50%, 25% or 75%. I'm giving 75%. Okay, so this way you can give the animation effects. See, lots of other options are also available. You can choose anything for your purposes. Okay, so next one is, so I have also discussed about insert, design, transition, animations. Okay, then slides. Okay, so in slide options, so you can see this one. You want to give the slideshow from beginning of your slide, or from current slide, or from hide slide. So see here, it is the slideshow of my main slide. Okay, so this is my first slide. After this, the second slide will appear. See here, so see, this is my second slide. See, this is my third slide. Okay, I have made one smart art, but I have deleted it somehow. Okay, and this is my last slide. So see here, my link. So after clicking on my link, it will go to the YouTube video. Okay, because I have entered here online videos. Okay, so for this it will redirect to the YouTube videos. Okay, so like this, here I have entered the text. Okay, in the address bar I have entered the address of the URL, and the upper option I have entered my text here, and my text is my link. So after clicking on this, it will redirect to the other option. So like this you can enter the videos. So this is all about my today's class. So if you like my channel, then subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you all.